Good afternoon. I'm Sylvia the Crafty Old Lady. Thanks for joining me today. I thought that I would make a food page. I don't know if I've ever made a food page before, but I've got lots of food images, and I'm going to put some squares in the background. And then I might put a few fussy cuts on top. I might put a person or even a dog or something. So let's see what we're going to do. I need to pick out my squares. Don't want both of the same there. This is gummies actually, but that's food too, right? There's some drinks. I have so many little tiny things that I can use as, fussy cuts. Ooh, that looks good, doesn't it? We got some pasta. That could kind of go like that. I don't even remember what all I have in there. Those sandwiches look pretty darn good too. I don't think I'm going to use the gummies for this one. I think I want actual, like, food. Stuff to eat. There is some chocolate, a drink, a berry. I need some more squares. Alright, so this is kind of what I've come up with. I do have this still under here, but honestly, I like this bowl of SpaghettiOs better, so that's what I'm going to do. So the first thing that I need to do is glue down this cheesecake or whatever it is. So let's do that. Making me want all these goodies. I had just left the lid off of my glue for a second and it started to dry out, so you got to be really careful with this Scotch glue. And if you are not using it even for a second, put the lid on it. This is new to me. I'm just no expert, but it's just an observation I've made. And if you've never tried it yet, it might be helpful for you. I need to move this over. Oh boy. There we go. That's there. And then this was going here, just like that. Whereas the egg was going just like this. So I think we can go ahead and put the egg on. Okay, Mr. Egg. That is going sort of just like this. And then the cereal. I put not the whole thing. I don't need to get glue on the bottom. Let's see how far that goes. There, that's pretty good. So now we have our background. And I think before I do anything else, I'm going to trim off the bottom. I see I didn't go all the way to the bottom with that one. But I want to trim off this right here. This is another collage I made a couple of weeks ago. It's a Barbie one. So let's get this cut off. I think I need to move it this way. Actually, I can do this. I do prefer spiral not notebooks, or well, you could use a notebook. Spiral notebooks or sketchbooks for doing these because it's so much easier to work on them because they can go flat, nice and flat. So we said we were going to put the drink there. What else have we got that we can put on there? I saw a little burger. So at least now I just want to do some fussy cuts. So I don't want anything too big though, because we don't want to. Here's a burger. We don't want to cover everything up. We could put a burger there. What about? Or we could put some wine there. It's not showing up very well though. Okay, let's see. Oh, here's one that would show up probably pretty good. This one. And it kind of looks like that drink there. So we could put this here, just like this actually. And I think that's it for drinks. We got some little tiny things we can put down, like we got Ghirardelli. I don't know how you say that. Ghirardelli chocolate, but also we have a pink one, which might show up better. Yeah, I like the pink one better. We could put that there, or we could put it here, but I think I kind of like it right here. It's not covering up so much. What else could we put on there? Didn't want the hamburger. We got some bacon. How about some bacon? I don't know. Okay, bacon could go with the eggs, but I don't think I like it. Just want some cute little ones. And what else have I got? A little wine glass. I don't think these are cutouts, though. These aren't fussy cuts. They're all squares. I thought I had some little tiny cups. I got a little tiny spaghetti sauce. Oh, here we go. What about this one? We could put that there. That's kind of cute. I think I saw... What else is that? No, I don't want that. Popcorn. I got these little tiny ice cream sandwiches that could go somewhere. Maybe up there. Nah, don't think I like it. Oh, here's one that I've been wanting to use for a long time. We could put him somewhere. Where could he go? He could go right there. I think I'm not going to use that. He can go right there. Yeah, he's going there like he's sitting on the edge of the dish there. That That doesn't, you can't see that so well though. What else have we got? Got a lime. Oh, that's in a drink. Oh, maybe this would show up better. An ice cream sundae. That could kind of look cute there. That doesn't show up well either though. We might be done. I'm not sure yet. Is this the one? This is the one I just had up there? No, this is a different one. Yeah, you can't see too much on those. I'm going to... Could go right there on the egg. That would show up. I don't like it. I'm going to go look through my things one more time and find a couple more fussy cuts that I like. Alright, so I did find some things I'm going to add. Some fussy cuts. And also some words. I'm not sure which exactly words I'm going to use because there's not going to be that much room. But I definitely want to use timeless and tasty. Because I think that goes very well with this layout. So this we had right here. And we're going to go ahead and keep it right there. I found a little bowl of popcorn, so that's going to go there. Right here in the corner. Well, not the corner, but the edge. I found a radish, or is it a turnip? I don't know, or a turnip or a beet. I don't know. Turnips aren't they like carrots but yellow? I'm not sure. I think it's a beet. It's either a beet or a radish. So that's going to go right there. Mr. Kool-Aid is going to go right there. I've had him for a while. Never really figured out where I was going to use him before now. So he's going there. I got this little champagne glass. So we will try to get that on there without ripping it. Oh, of course I ripped it. I ripped the bottom part. Oh, darn it. Hope I can get the other half off. Always something. It's always something. But I think it's going to work. Let me get it on the right way. There, that's pretty good. So there's that. Here's the chocolate. And yes, tell me what you're up to. Tell me what you've been up to. Okay, we're going to put this glass down. Is it spring where you live? I might have asked that already. We'll put that right there. And then I found some grapes. And then I just got to figure out where the words are going to go. I don't think I have that much space for the words, though. I think it's this way. That's going right there. Okay, so we have this. Timeless and tasty. I'm going to make it just a tiny bit skinnier. Where's my big scissors? Ugh, where'd it go? Okay, there. I'm going to try to make this a little skinnier. Oh, no, it's stuck to my fingers. Okay. This can go. Maybe we'll put it right here. I think so. So I'll put that there. Yeah, I'm sticking to everything. Okay. We could also put it down here, but I think right here, actually right at the top, I think would be good. Timeless and tasty. And then I have essentials. Thrive, rejuvenate, and heckin' good. I don't think I want the heckin' good one though, but I think we can put essentials on here. And I will put it maybe like right here. Yeah, essentials. I should just trim this a little bit more. There. Okay, that's going to go right here. Essentials, rejuvenate, rejuvenating. I kind of like thrive the best. And we already have so much cluttering up our page. Okay, thrive is going to go like right here. I don't want to cover up the egg yolk. Thrive is going to go there. Could we put rejuvenating somewhere? We could put rejuvenating right there. Why not? Can I trim it a little bit more though? Yep. And okay, I think that's better. Okay. I hope you enjoyed this little collage. Where did I say I was going to put it? Right down here? Let's see. Maybe here. And if you did, give me a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already. Check out my Ko-fi page, and there are some freebies, and there will be more freebies coming up. I also have some vintage sewing items I may be posting up there, but anyway, the link is in the description of the video, and there is my food collage. And please stay happy, healthy, and safe, and we'll see you again next time. Bye-bye.